This is Julie Bancroft and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. Cute starter home or investment. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, all on one level. Remodeled kitchen with new countertops, hardwood cabinets, and appliances. Fridge included. New vinyl plank flooring with original hardwoods underneath. Newer tile floors in kitchen and laundry room. New roof, gutters, and paint in 2017. Newer ductless heat and AC units in the living room and both bedrooms. Large yard and attached carport. Bathroom remodeled 2017. Just approximately 14 minutes to Mercy Hospital in Roseburg. RV parking.